Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought it would be fun today to talk about 10 things you might want to consider adding to your fall wardrobe. You can probably use most of these items to build yourself a nice little budget-friendly fall wardrobe. My goal is to show you multiple versions of each item we're going to be talking about. I love the idea of picking out a fragrance wardrobe, so that is the first thing I'm going to recommend that you do is pick out a signature scent, especially one that you wear specific to the season that we're in. For the fall, I love spicier scents, so the two I'm going to recommend to you are from Dossier. One is Oriental Tobacco, which is like I'm spending the day next to a crackling fire. It is such a warm tobacco-laced scent. And then also Woody Sandalwood, which is basically like crisp fall day in a bottle. I love Dossier fragrances because they're not only clean, but they're vegan and they're cruelty free. Plus what's nice is if you get a fragrance and you don't like it, you can ship it back to them for a full refund with no questions asked, or you can exchange it for a different scent. So the second essential for your fall wardrobe, obviously a great pair of dark rinse jeans. Now I love me a skinny pair, and this pair is from Free Assembly by Walmart. These are organic cotton. Can we talk about the price? Oh my gosh, there's a touch of spandex in here for the perfect fit. This is a classic skinny leg with the high rise, and then you do have the functional pockets in the back. And then I'm a huge fan, as you guys know, of a wide leg. So I picked up this black rinse from Gap. This is their super high rise. I believe this is like 13 inches worth of rise, which that is very high. I'm in love. These have a beautiful, slightly cropped fit. Love a wide leg. The way it drapes so beautifully over a pair of booties, it is just intoxicating. This is a gorgeous black rinse. It has the perfect amount of fade to it. And again, you do have the functional pockets in the back. Of course, there's no way we could talk about fall without talking about cardigans. I mean, I love like chunky, textured cardigans for the fall season. If you guys are new to my channel, over the past year and a half, I've been flipping synthetics out of my closet in favor of natural fibers and trying to find a 100% cotton sweater at a reasonable price point is like trying to find a unicorn. It can be impossible. But I did find a couple to show you guys. The first is from Gap. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous on. I love the fact that it has a drop sleeve for just like a very effortless look, and it is slightly cropped, which is perfect for layering over a dress or wearing with a great pair of jeans. Can we talk about the beautiful texture on this? Oh my gosh, it is so soft. It feels like it's been in your closet forever. Plus, I love the fact that with a button cardigan, you can actually wear it buttoned up to give yourself a little bit more insulation and more of like a classic tailored look. But of course, an open cardigan to me is just an absolute must, especially when it comes to adding a black one to your collection. I snagged this from Nordstrom at the end of the spring season, literally on clearance for probably $17. But I've seen variations of a 100% cotton black cardigan popping up everywhere, so I will leave you some options down below. But again, what I love about these styles is it's so perfect for layering, especially over a pair of leggings. You can add an over-the-knee suede boot for a really gorgeous look because you do have that length in the back. And one of the things I love about cotton, especially cotton sweaters, is cotton is a fiber that naturally regulates body temperature. So even when it's warm out, if you have cotton on, it's going to keep you cool. But if it's cold out, if you have cotton on, it's going to keep you warm and without completely overheating you or making you feel like you are absolutely suffocating. So the third must-have for your fall wardrobe is definitely a long sleeve cotton top. You guys went berserk over this striped one from Free Assembly by Walmart the last time I did a haul from them, with good reason. This is so comfortable on. Again, organic cotton at this price point is insane. Love the fact that they went with the white cuff, which is a little bit wider than normal, and it just has this beautiful looser fit. That way you can do a French tuck. It just looks so effortless. And of course, course, what is more classic for the fall season than a black and white striped long sleeve tee? This is so soft on. It's been broken into perfection. And then if you just want something that's like a little bit more elevated, lest you want to go for an elevated casual vibe or just dress up something as simple as a dark rinsed pair of jeans, highly recommend this cotton long sleeve top from Target. You guys, this cotton, it's a gauzy cotton, but it is so feathery, soft. It is absolutely incredible. It's not stiff at all, but when you put it on, you just feel like that perfect level of coziness for those days where it's too chilly to wear a short sleeve, but you don't want to delve into your sweater collection yet. This is the perfect option. Okay, so moving right along to maxi dresses. I love a maxi dress in the fall, especially with a great pair of booties. Both of these are from Target and both of them are neutral options. I love me a white dress during any season, but in particular for the fall, this looks so crisp and gorgeous under a dark denim jacket, which I will show you guys. Now this does have an elbow length sleeve, which is elasticized. It's not my favorite, but the elastic actually manages to not be irritating. And then the style with that wide scoop neck, you can actually wear this off the shoulders or it'll stay on the shoulders if that is more of your preference. There is this beautiful embroidery that runs vertical down the length of this tiered ruffled skirt. You guys, this dress is stunning on. I love it so much. There's so much you can do with a dress like this one. And keeping along those same lines, had to grab this long sleeve black maxi dress, again from Target. It's just so perfect. Love that slight little V-neck. It does have a higher waist, almost to give it like an empire style. And then this is another tiered ruffled skirt. It is so pretty. I saw this and I was like, oh, I cannot wait to wear this with a great pair of booties and a gorgeous floppy hat. It is just like the quintessential fall look. Fifth on the list is a great bodysuit, and here's why. I love wearing bodysuits in multiple ways, especially when you have one like this, which is also from Walmart, that has a thong back. You guys, this is so key for wearing with a pair of leggings. That way you're not gonna have visible panty lines. And it also means you can wear it with a tighter pair of jeans or even like a really darling mini skirt. This is so comfortable on. This does fit true to size. I will say this scoop neck, they're calling it a U-neck, is quite deep. So if you are a modest gal, this might not be the one for you, but if you're a little bit bolder, it's not obscene by any means, but it's definitely going to do a little bit of a plunge. Okay, next on our list are jackets. Now, you guys know I'm a big proponent of the jacket actually being a part of your outfit that you keep on during the day versus something that you just like fling off as soon as you get inside. I have a couple different options here. The first is an army green fatigue jacket. This one I already had in my collection, but I'm seeing it pop up everywhere. So I will definitely leave a couple options down below. But as a layering piece, this just adds like such an effortless fall-inspired zing to any outfit. And then next up, who can resist a dark denim jacket? Oh my gosh, it is, again, so quintessentially fall. I got this one about 2 years ago from Loft, so I will list similar options down below. But one tip I can give you when it comes to finding the perfect fit, if you want a jacket that's a little more tailored looking, definitely see if they have a petite version available. Go with your normal size and just get the petite. It is like magic. It gives you that more fitted look. It looks more tailored because a lot of denim jackets tend to run very large, oversized. The boyfriend denim jacket is a huge trend. And again, if you just want something that's a little more fitted, a little more sophisticated and clean looking, highly recommend that you go for a petite version. And then the third jacket option I have for you guys is this corduroy chore jacket, again from Walmart. So many of you commented on this jacket asking if it was suede. That is how gorgeous it looks on camera and also in person. It is corduroy, which is like the perfect texture for the fall season. And this warm chestnut brown is trending like crazy. I'm seeing it popping up everywhere. It does have those front pockets, which just adds like a really fun touch. And then again, just like a classic design in the back. It's not overly long, it's not too short. It is just the perfect length. Okay guys, I'm moving right along to accessories. You know me, I love my hats, especially when it comes to the fall season. Is there anything better than a gorgeous felt hat to complete any outfit? I do not think there is. I love the way felt hats fit because they sit down on your head to give you a more fitted look versus something with a structured cap that's going to sit up on your head. I just think this style is so gorgeous, but this has the perfect amount of flop too that's not too overwhelming. So I will link various versions of this hat, which I've had for years, down below for you to check out. Okay guys, so to round out this video, the 9th item to complete your fall wardrobe is definitely a pair of booties. I have two I'm going to show you. The first is this neutral option here. Love the heel on this because it's a nice chunky heel that's also very comfortable. You can basically wear them with anything. And of course, if you're wearing a shorter dress, a neutral bootie is great for keeping that leg looking elongated. These are from Nisolo. They are handcrafted. They're a little bit pricier, but I just find that anteing up for a great pair of shoes is definitely worth the investment. And then this pair also has the zippers in the back. The other option is more of like a chestnut brown color, which is so gorgeous. These are by Adelante. They're also handcrafted. I will leave information about this company down below. When you buy a pair of shoes from them, they actually introduce you to the cobbler. They're made in Guatemala and they are 10 days from cobbler to customer. These are stunning. The shaft is a little bit shorter than that neutral pair I just showed you, as is the heel, but still you have that chunky style, which is so cute for the fall season. And then these also have the zipper on the side. Okay guys, last item to round out your fall wardrobe, definitely a pair of leopard print flats. I love this print from Rothy's. This is a big cat. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. Rothy's are made from recycled plastic water bottles. They're also washable, which helps justify the price point because basically every time you throw these babies into the wash, they come out looking brand spanking new. I have a couple videos that go into wear tests of Rothy's that I will link for you to watch, but again, like what a great fun way to punch up any outfit, even if you're just wearing something as simple as a pair of dark jeans and a black cotton top. Okay guys, so that'll do it for the 10 essentials for your fall wardrobe. Let me know in the comments down below, like what are you loving the most? Or what is your favorite piece to add or to cherish in your fall wardrobe collection? Fall is just like such a fun season, especially when you finally find clothes to wear. But in any event, I will list everything that we talked about down below for you to check out. So thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.